So here's something I was talking about in my class earlier, where new paint sprayed on to siding like that over top of old paint just gets blisters, and that's where pockets form and water comes in, and that promotes the rot that's happening. So in one sense, you know, they painted it to make it look good, but they created places where water can come in and get trapped. Like this is a trap right there. You know, that's a trap. So, you know, trap. And look, see, it's a trap, and right here on a joint, okay? A staple hole trap. So water can get in these pockets, and so you see, you know, all kinds of little spaces here. That's why the old paint has to be removed so that the new paint can do its job. Right now, all the new paint is doing is lifting the old paint off, okay? And it's not enough to just feather this stuff in. You actually have to, what do you say, take it off completely, because if not, look, it's just the new paint's gonna take the old paint off for you in a way that you don't want to do it. See that? Sorry about your house, but you know, you just gotta demonstrate this. All right, here, this is an add-on sill here. So instead of replacing the sill and putting the sill underneath, they just butted it up to here, caulked the joint. Now water's gotten in there and made it expand. Water's getting inside there, flooding the inside of the house, creating moisture issues, probably mold. So anyway, old house, I love you. Hopefully I can help you someday. Take care. Bye.